Hi, I'm Melissa Jollands, and I'm the grand prize winner of the 49th Pillsbury Bake-Off with my recipe for Dublin Cheeseboard-Stuffed Appetizer bread. My recipe is inspired on a trip that my husband and I took to Ireland where we had the chance to taste a wonderful cheese board. I don't know if you've ever had a cheese board before, but it has a lot of meats and cheeses, fresh fruit, nuts, dried fruit, and bread. I took all of the flavors from that cheese board and I stuffed it into Pillsbury French bread. I chose to use Irish sharp cheddar cheese and honey goat cheese and salami. I put it inside that nice, crispy, crunchy French bread, and then I topped it with sea salt and almonds. So as you can see, when you take it out, you have this nice variety of wonderful flavors. You have a lot of nuttiness. You have that sharpness from the cheddar cheese, savory, and I serve it with fig jam, which ties it all together by giving it a little bit of a sweet punch. You know, my husband and I married quite young, and we never had a honeymoon or even a vacation for that matter. And so when it was time for our 25th anniversary, we decided that we were going to do it big, and we decided to go on a trip to Ireland. So we went and had a fantastic week where we got to do a lot of sightseeing and learn about their culture and eat so much of their cuisine. And of course, that was the highlight. We really enjoyed this cheese board. It was a great thing for us to have, and what was great about it is I got to bring it home, put it inside that Pillsbury product, and share it with my family and friends. One day then, I received a call from Pillsbury telling me that I was a category winner, which is just a day I'll never forget. You're so excited. You can't believe that it's happening to you. And then there's more. We went to New York. We got to go to Food Network. And on Food Network, on the kitchen, we got to tape an episode where we got to make our recipes. And then GE gives everybody appliances. We got a $5,000 check. So, I was a winner way before they announced that grand prize winner. But we got to go back to Food Network and tape another episode where they announced the winner. And, all of a sudden you see all of that confetti flying and you hear your name called, and then they give you this huge, big check for $50,000. It is just a moment I will never forget, a life-changing moment for sure. My husband and I want to use that $50,000 to remodel our kitchen and have a place to put those GE appliances. And my husband has a big birthday this year, so I'd really like to take him back to Ireland to celebrate. If you would like the recipe for Dublin Cheeseboard-Stuffed Appetizer bread, go to bakeoff.com.